So last week we have a closing just about 90.56, and 90.56 in investing.com means it's going to be 90 in trading view. So 90 is the more realistic, because since we are trading in MT5 and trading view, 90 is a more realistic support. And here it is 90.56. You might have noticed the difference which I explained you last time. Here, if you remember last week we were just shy of 90.56. 93.82. I'm sorry, 93.82. But this time we were able to complete that cycle. Look at this green candle, completely touch the body, completely touch almost 93.82 and finish the cycle. Even went ahead, one step ahead. It even took 94.87. Okay, 95. It completed the cycle, and you look at that. I told you the importance of this resistance level. It reversed, completely reversed from there. Look, from 94.82 to 90.50. Almost $5 it fall. In a stretch. So this is the importance of this resistance, and it respected that resistance in a big way. And we could daringly say this resistance not going to be broken, in the near future. This is what I believe. If it is not able to convincingly break it above 94.87, now this is going to act as a big time resistance. So let's see how crude going to trade from Monday onwards, and what we could expect, from Monday till Friday. So let's jump onto a trading view chart to get more insight onto next week levels. So whoever watched my last week broadcast, I had explained you the importance of this this CPR here in 45 minutes. I have 45 minutes here. Okay, I had explained you why, because we had 3 attempts here. First attempt here, second attempt here, third attempt. All 3 times, crude respected this CPR and reversed. You can see here, and we had a big reversal till 87.80. Okay, 87.50 area. From there, we had a big pullback. And as I told you, once crude were able to trade above the CPR, once crude break open the CPR here at 891 levels, okay, once it traded above 91 levels, it were able to took this 94.30 or 95 in investing.com, the big resistance which I just explained you. So this CPR acted as a big time resistance, and we break open and were able to make a new high, all-time high. From there, it reversed again, and now it is trading below the CPR. Okay, and just about this CPR, a new CPR has been formed here. So for us, this is a new support or new CPR which was created last week, and now we have to watch carefully whether crude would remain above this CPR. One moment, let me cancel this for you. Or will it break below this one? Which means if it trade below 89 next Monday, or if it breaks open 89 to the downside, okay, then it's going to be a major fall. As I explained you, it could be I told you these blue lines which I marked earlier. So it's going to be 87.73, then 85.73. Then 83.28. So we could expect 86. For example, 85.73 means 86. We could expect next week 86 range. In case, once again, I'm telling you, if crude has some bad news, if crude prolong this bearishness somehow, then only we can. I told you this CPR is acting as a big time support now. So if crude breaks below this CPR, and if it continues this bearish journey, then we can we can expect 86 levels. So this is for next week, and it's very simple. Crude is trading in a range now, which the range has expanded till 94.30 here in trading view, 94.30, and to the downside we have a big time support at 87.73 or 87. Let's take this one as a support, which is 87.85 or 87.90 range. So we have 87.90 till 94.30. This is a new range, and we have to watch carefully how it behaves at this support, which is 87.82, or even this one. If it take this 88 support in trading view, okay, if it takes 88 support, then you have to be a buyer. Okay, keep buying, and again I'm telling you, our target could be this range, which is 92.50, then we have 94 on the to the upside, and even in the between 93, 35. So these are the area we could fix the target. So this area 88 going to be a this could be utilized for buying into crude oil next week. So for day traders and scalpers, I would recommend you to take buying positions at 88 levels, which can reward you in a big way, because it could give you sudden pullbacks towards this level. So here you could make a lot of money. Same time, if there is a gap down opening, you could sell the market also and keep a target at 88 level. So the targets go to vary depending on your risk appetite. For example, some people keep their stop this is a reverse. I have to cancel this one. I'm sorry. So you have to take a short position. Okay, if it's a short position here, stop could be adjusted towards, let's say, this levels. Here you could keep a stop here, for example, and take a selling positions, and you can have a target till 80 this levels. So 88.5 or whatever. So this depends on your risk appetite. So it depends on how courageous you are, or how much margin you have left in your wallet. Okay, so this is an area where you could trade like a day trade, during the morning hours or afternoon sections. Then further in the evening time, if crude it tends to, if it intends to go below 88.20, if it breaks below, okay, if it falls, for example, then if it falls below 88.20, then as I explain you, our next target going to be what? Very simple. It's going to touch 86 levels, or 85.04. So we will book our profit here on the first hand. You will buy here, or if you sell here, then you will book your profit here at 88. Then in the evening time, or if it makes a breakdown, okay, big breakdown or a big fall, and if it breaks below this 88 level, then only you can take this position, sell further for 86, 85 targets. So this is how it works. So both ways you could make money, and you have to be very watchful of 88 level. That's what I'm trying to emphasize. For if it did not break 88 levels convincingly, don't take sell positions until you have to wait and buy here with a small stop loss at these levels. Okay, keep a stop loss here. Let's say 86.50 levels. Below 86.50, you can keep a stop loss and buy here. Be a buyer at 88 levels. Otherwise, if it breaks below 88 in a convincing way, then you can expect 85 levels sooner or later in next week. Okay.